This video sponsor BetterHelp is an online therapy platform that connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. To get started, you fill out a questionnaire to help assess your specific needs, and then you'll get matched with your therapist in most cases within 48 hours or less. With BetterHelp, you can have your therapy sessions as a phone call, as a video chat, or through messaging, whatever's the most comfortable version of therapy for you. It's a great option if you find the face-to-face interaction of therapy uncomfortable. BetterHelp can match you to one of over 30,000 therapists in their network, which gives you access to a wider range of expertise than what may be available in your area. You'll be able to schedule therapy sessions at a time that's convenient for you, and if the therapist that you're first matched with doesn't feel like the right fit, you can easily switch to a new therapist at no additional cost. If you think you might benefit from therapy, click the link in the description to learn more about BetterHelp at betterhelp.com/modernmakeovers. Using my link will get you 10% off your first month, so you can connect with a therapist and see if it's helpful.